Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. I'm going to take you back in time where it was lighter in the day, and we're going to pick up where we left off with the Bronco, which was this not sitting properly, and take it to this stage. So let's get to it. So I probably put too many tacks in there. I shouldn't have tacked it in so much, but there's kind of a gap. What's nice is even though I'm redoing it, at least I'll have less of a gap when I go to put it back on. You have to be careful, I was under a bit of tension there. Let me grab the cab corner, I'll show you what's going on. When I put this here and I hang the cab corner, this is low, right? So it's got to come up and back to right about there. And then this has got to come up right about there. And then, my body lines match up here and match up here. But even when they do, there's actually quite a big gap here. So I'm gonna have to fill out a way to maybe weld some rod on the end of that panel or something. I don't know how else to get this gap to be. It's fine up here, it's fine down there, but just right here, it's a little off. But that I can work with. I got to get this height right, and it can't be too high up here. But anyway, so that's what I'm working on. I don't think I can video it and do it because of the hands, and it just takes time. But so I'll show you when I'm done. Okay guys, that's looking much better. It's lined up nice and straight. I mean, is it perfect? It's not perfect, but it's pretty darn close. So I'm pretty happy with that. Now you can see that gap is too big right there. I'll have to fill it. And then right here where I'm going to weld, now there's too big of a gap. So I'm just going to grab this rod here and use that to fill or weld that in there. This rod is actually the hinge rod for the top of the Harbor Freight parts cleaner, which is pretty useless. And right now I've got the rest of that parts cleaner is acting as my scrap metal bin in the back of the old body. And that was the basin, and the top is my new John Deere hood, which is in the body shop, as you can see. Alright, now that I have this welded to that, this actually is not welded to the back support because I didn't know how my new tailgate was going to fit. So I'm going to put the tailgate on this. It goes like this.
You're putting the back panel on?
I'm fitting it up. This is Matt's Garage.
Cool. Are you on video?
Yes, I am. Your favorite. I'm putting the tailgate on. I wouldn't say the back panel, but okay.
This is Matt's Garage. You know what it's called.
You should know what it's called. You're right. You paid for it. That gap is not bad on this side. Too tight down here. Too. So I'm going to basically pull this in and weld it like that. But first I just gotta get a little more gap. That's not quite enough there. Now I just gotta make sure it's square. 5 foot 1.5. 5 foot 1.5. Boom! It's gonna be an awkward welding position. AWP. Where's my helmet? Of course. It's my upside down wheel well. Where else would it be? A little hotter on this one. It ain't sheet metal, man. I don't know if I like that ground. Oh yeah, that's a much better ground. Okay. Don't eat the smoke. It's bad for you. Okay, guys, that's I think that's good for one day. Got the bedside tacked in, not burned in, tacked in. Everything fit up. Got the tailgate on, set my gaps, and then burned in the bed stake. These are still loose. I'm gonna leave those till the end because I'm actually not even sure how to attach those. But the bed's on. It's square. And so that's good. I can tighten down these body bolts now. And then again, the idea was to get the back stable so that I can put my bracing on and set my front door posts. But that's for another day. See you next time on Matt's Garage.